Hello, Justin Liebman here, and I am excited to teach you or lead you through a practice today of some breath work, pranayama, and then some guided meditation as well. And so I'm going to start off with the pranayama practice of nadi shodhana. You may have heard it referred to as the alternate nostril breath. And so we're going to set up today. I actually like using the knee as a resting post to just relax the right elbow onto. And for this breathing exercise, we'll be using the right thumb as a way of blocking the nasal cavity right near the bony structure on the right side of the nostril. And then the right ring finger does the blocking of the left nostril, same upper ridge. And then the index middle finger can rest upon the space above the brow. So once I have myself in a upright, relaxed position, the eyes closed, I have the right hand into placement. The left hand can relax wherever feels natural. I'll initiate first just by taking an inhale through the nose, and then an effortless exhale, leaving the nose or out through the mouth. And then at the very bottom of the exhale, the right thumb blocks the right nostril, and I now proceed to inhale into the left. I'll then block the left nostril and then exhale through the right. I'll now inhale through the right, blocking the right nostril and exhaling through the left. In through the left, block the left, X through the right. In right, X left. In left, exhale right. Right, left. Left, keeping the shoulders relaxed. Exhale right. Right. Left. We'll now begin to elongate the breath a little bit longer. In to the left. Exhaling to the right. Right. Left. Left. Right. Inhale right. And then final exhale out to the left nostril. And now that we've completed the breath, arrive back to a comfortable seated position. Take some time with the eyes closed. And we'll just experience the effects of the pranayama practice. The effects may be felt within the body, maybe more relaxed, maybe an overall sense of ease. But you may also begin to feel the effects in the mind. The attention may be more centered, less busyness and more clarity. And now we're going to proceed with this new focused mind and heightened awareness into guided meditation. And for today's practice, we'll move through what is known as central channel flossing. So to start the practice, bring all the attention within to the space of the heart. Really focusing on the sensations around the heart. And then begin to try to soften the edges around the heart space. Noticing how the breath can even soothe that space. Where every exhale is a way of releasing the tension. And now that we've developed a greater sense of focus into the heart space, we'll allow the next exhale to move the attention all the way up to the crown of the head. And then with the next inhale, bring the attention down to the base of the spine. As you exhale, the attention can be almost like a source of light that we can begin to trace all the way up to the crown of the head. And as you inhale, pull that source of light back down into the base of the spine. Exhale, it rises to the crown. And the inhale, you pull the source of light back down to the base of the spine. So we'll continue here on our own. Few rounds of the central channel flossing, staying very focused on that movement of light that coincides with the breath itself. As the mind does, it will wander. We just simply bring it back to the movement of light. Exhale, it moves all the way to the crown. The inhale, it falls back down to the base of the spine. Not trying to control the breath, but just simply follow the breath with the attention. Keeping the shoulders relaxed, upright posture. And now for the final phase of the guided meditation, where we once had a tremendous amount of focus on the movement of energy from the base of the spine to the crown. We'll now just let go of that technique completely and let the awareness be fully open. Awareness can be open to sounds, the sensations on the body. Awareness can be open to the thoughts or emotions as well. So noticing what arises, but do so without a sense of clinging or attaching to whatever arises. So we notice and we allow it to pass as it's ready. as we now begin to gently open up our eyelids and taking in the outside world. Still continuing to notice what arises, but now also taking in what arises from the senses outside of us, the sights. And now being with this new spaciousness that we've created and integrating back into the world with a new calmness and refined awareness. Namaste.